Alright guys, so it's May, so it should be warm, but the northwest wind right now is ripping. And we could drive around, check a bunch of spots, and maybe find a spot that's better, but we don't want to be the guy that's always checking it. We want to be the guy that's always in the water. So I'm gonna paddle out and make the most of what we got. I just hopped in my wetsuit, and as I was saying before, it's pretty cold out. And if you look on my shortboard here, it's covered in ice. There's little pieces of ice throughout the whole thing, so it's definitely cold. And the waves are tough. It's looking like the wind has gone more west here, but I'm out there anyway. I'm trying to get better at surfing. I'm trying to work hard. I'm not trying to, surf perfect Indo every day. I'm trying to work with what I got here in New York and get some waves. This is what we're working on right now, and I'm gonna try to get out there and score. That session was a ton of fun, and for as low as my expectations were, I actually went out there and had a blast. Big weight, young Grom. Lightweight, Grom. Lightweight. This guy's a monster. Man. Ah! How'd you get so strong?
Creatine.
Alright, we got young D, Pat D here, putting up a ton of weight. I don't even know what this is, like 180. And yeah, some of you guys might remember him from some of our trips to Rhode Island. This guy was out here ripping, riding the soft top. We'll run some of that footage for you. Is that 2?
Dude, I might need help on this next one.
Alright.
Put that shit down.
Got this. One more.
Damn, I'm fucking hyped I can get that.
What is that? Wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's snowing right now. It's like fully snowing. super fun that we got to get a workout in with Pat Dudian. He's the man around here on Long Island. You've seen him and I do a few trips out to Rhodey, up to Maine. We've actually surfed all over, so it's good to see him today. We kept our social distance and we did some bench pressing out in the backyard, which was pretty fun. And yeah, it was just good to see friends. And we're back to the grind now. Gonna do some flashcards.
You've been working all day.